to my channel. Without much ado, we're going to get down to the preparation of Ndole today. So the recipe is very easy and the ingredients are as displayed below. So the first thing is already peeled groundnuts. If your groundnuts are not peeled, you could soak them in water for approximately 5 to 10 minutes and then peel the peelings off from the groundnuts and wash to obtain this. So we have some poiree here and some onion. We're going to be using a lot of onion in this recipe. The poiree, you could include it or exclude it. It depends on you. Do not use a lot of green spices because they can later cause your ndole to get sour easily, but they make your ndole tasty. We have red meat chopped, some already chopped and washed bitter leaves, vegetable oil, red onion chopped, smoked fish, crayfish, ginger and garlic already ground, white onion chopped, shrimps, some maggi cubes, salt, I'm using pink Himalayan salt, and scotch bonnet. This is also optional if you don't want it too spicy. So now that we have all our ingredients well introduced, the next thing is to start cooking. So guys, the first thing is to boil our groundnuts, approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. So we put some water in a pot and then you put your groundnuts. Guys, my ratio of estimated groundnuts to bitter leaf is approximately 4 cups of groundnuts to approximately 3 cups of bitter leaves. It depends on what you choose. Guys, the groundnuts have been boiling for approximately 15 minutes. Always check your groundnuts and add water when necessary. Guys, our groundnuts have been boiling for 1 hour. So take them off from the fire, wash and blend. So guys, presenting to you our boiled groundnuts. The next thing is to blend them. So make sure to blend your groundnuts with little water as much as possible. This is our blender jar. Pour your groundnuts into the blender jar. Add some chopped onion and some poiree. Add a little bit of water to blend. Take your time to blend, making sure that you don't use a lot of water. Add a little bit of water when necessary. Blend. Presenting to you are already blended groundnuts, guys. So make sure you don't use a lot of green spices in your ndole, else your ndole may easily get sour or it may become too green. Alright, after blending our groundnuts, the next thing is to boil our meat. Here we begin the real process of the cooking of our ndole. Take note of the consistency of our blended groundnuts. Very thick. You add water just in bits. Blend, stop, blend, stop. Put some water in a pot. Not much water, guys. And always put your eyes on your pot. We don't want our ndole to be watery. It has to be thick. This is our meat. Put your meat in the pot too. Add a little bit of salt. Cover this up and let this boil for approximately 15 minutes. We want it to be halfway tender before we bring in our paste. So guys, when you're sure that your meat is halfway cooked, put your ground groundnuts. Sorry for the vapor, guys. Add your ground groundnuts. So guys, I already advise that from this stage onwards you use low medium heat in order to avoid burning. So after adding your ground groundnuts, Add your ground ginger and garlic. Mix. Cover this up and let this boil for approximately 15 minutes to 30 minutes on low medium heat before we bring in our bitter leaf. We want to make sure that a lot of the water is eliminated. See you later. Make sure to always check and stir before it gets burnt underneath. We want a lot of the water to evaporate. So after boiling your ground groundnuts for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, in order to reduce the water, we're going to bring in our bitter leaves now. Of course, you can see that the paste is really thick now. So you bring in your bitter leaves. Add your salt. Add your maggi. Mix. So the next thing to do is bring in your fish. Add your crayfish. Guys, you can also use ground shrimp powder. Very tasty. Mix everything up. Cover this up and let this boil for approximately 10 minutes. We just want our fish and bitter leaves to become ready. And on very, very low heat. The lowest heat on your cooker. See you later, guys. So guys, our bitter leaf and ground groundnuts have been boiling for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check and see. Cover this up, take off the stove and set aside. The next thing is to heat up a frying pan. Add some vegetable oil. Guys, one of the qualities of your ndole is attributed to the quantity of vegetable oil used. Vegetable oil is very, very important in the preparation of ndole. I know a lot of people don't like oil. You can actually cut the amount of oil you want to use, but it's it plays a vital role in how your ndole turns out. So guys, when you notice that your oil is hot enough, fry your shrimps and your onion. Guys, when you notice that your shrimps have been well fried, add your onion. A lot of onion, guys, a lot of it. Stir. So guys, this has been frying for approximately 7 to 10 minutes. Take this off and then we move to the next and last step. Bringing back our pot of ndole. Remember, we took it off before frying our onion and shrimps. So it's back and we're going to finish up with the last step. Open it up and pour all the fried content. That's your onion and your shrimps. It's on low heat, guys, so the whole house is smelling good. Mix everything up. The ndole is coming together, guys. Ooh! To taste for a balance of your maggi and salt. Oh my jeez. This is beyond beautiful. And you could actually add more onion, guys. Cover this up and let this boil for 5 minutes. See you after 5 minutes. So guys, our ndole is ready. Serve and eat with bobolo, yams, plantain, both boiled and fried, cocoyams, or anything of choice. Enjoy with family, guys. Do well to like, subscribe and share. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.